Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and then here into the search we'll enter Ampere, and now we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. So after that, just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, pay close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and now here we can see the information with the health of our device battery. In my case, that's good. Also here we can find just information about our device level, capacity, volt, charge temperature, Android version, just device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.